Hey again, spread the concern is one of important feature in any programming language. So you may have many classes, but in that classes you don't have main function. You just implement the classes and you call them from starting point. So think about you have another file and you name it this file start run and you believe this one should be the main file for your application and it's called different classes and you don't want to implement this function here. Okay, you want to implement it in a specific place. So I want to import this class to this file so I would be able to access to it. If you see, I want to use this class, name it multi from this file. To do it really easy in Python, just say what the name of the file, op class. So you say class op, from class op import the class name. What the name of class is this one, so I import that class. Now if I just run it, same result, and really simple. See here, now I have just classes. Here I have just, I could import any class. I write from the class file name, I import the class and I could use it. Here we done, and thank you for watching.